guys, today I'm going to show you how you can connect Bluetooth headphones to Android phone. In the first step, take your headphones and check how to activate pair mode. You can check it in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button and hold it for a few seconds. Now I have a pair mode, so let's jump to the phone and open the Bluetooth. Hold the finger on the icon and choose pair new device. There I have my headphones, so just tap on it. And choose pair. As you can see, now the headphones are connected. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.